make an apple pie and a bite like this. So please subscribe my channel, Joe's Moses Kitchen. It's a humble request. See the whole video. To a bowl, finely sliced apple, lemon zest, lemon juice. If you have any seeds, make sure you remove it. Nutmeg, cinnamon powder, sugar, all-purpose flour. Combine. I transferred the apple to a bigger bowl so I can mix it properly. So it's well combined now. All the cinnamon, nutmeg, sugar, flour are well coated with the apple. I use 3 kinds of apple. One was Granny Smith, so that's a cooking apple. Then the delicious apple and the Gala apple. You can use whichever apple you have at home. It's not a problem. I know other apple are a little bit expensive. That's fine. Whichever apple you have at home, use it. Only the reason is to get a better flavor texture. We can remove the pie crust we made refrigerator. To make a pie, I am using a disposable tray like this. If you have a pie dish, you can use the pie dish. Let's push the dough. That's some flour. Using a rolling pin, you can roll. In between, dust flour. Make sure you dust the flour on both sides. Roll the dough. Place the dough on top of the mold. Push to the edges. The excess dough on the side, don't cut now. Transfer the apple. Small dice of butter. Place on top of apple. We can do the same process for the dough. Cut into strips. Place the strips onto the top. Place 4 strips like this. Place a strip like this. push the edges. Make a design like this. Now anything extra you have, you just trim it. Don't throw the trimmings. Sheets like this. Cut them into half. Arrange the apple onto the sheet. Place the second sheet on top. Do the edges with the hand. Afterwards, push with a fork. Using a knife, make a hole. Take a bowl like this, a small bowl, crack egg, beat the egg, brush the egg wash, dust some sugar on the top, bake in the oven. നമുക്ക് ഇത് ഓവനിൽ നിന്ന് പുറത്തെടുക്കാം. Very nice. The apple, the cinnamon, and when we add the lemon juice, it's enhanced the flavors. And the crust, so good, buttery, nice flaky. It's a wonderful apple pie. Enjoy and eat. And don't miss out to subscribe my channel, Josh Moses Kitchen. Bye. Let's taste it. Very nice. Nice crispy apple, the biscuity flavor is